Hello, my name is Romain Schneider-Maunoury, business consultant at DynaSys, and I'm here today to talk to you about manufacturing. In the manufacturing area, organizations have always been facing difficulties in managing their activity depending on their business model. But today, because of the economical context, these pain points have become so critical that solutions need to be found to manage them efficiently. And these solutions differ, but sometimes overlap, depending on whether we are in a make-to-order environment, a make-to-stock environment, or an assemble-to-order environment. The fact is today, manufacturers need much more visibility, reactivity, and security. Forecasting is key to plan future activity. And depending on the business model, these forecasts can be calculated at different levels of aggregation. Final product level for make to stock, or component level for assemble to order. And as more and more stakeholders are involved in the process, collaboration has become mandatory to share information and make consensual decisions. Reactivity in the end-to-end process is also critical, especially in a make-to-order environment. When a customer order is placed, factories and suppliers need to be ready to fulfill the requirement on time. This is similar in the assemble-to-order environment, where components need to be available and teams need to be ready to assemble on time. Finally, security is also important to respond to forecast variability. A forecast is never 100% accurate. So, to secure the business, safety stock is sometimes required. But thanks to new technologies, these safety stocks can be calculated taking into account a number of inputs, including forecast accuracy. And thanks to the recent DDMRP model, buffers can be placed throughout the supply chain to allow smooth planning. We are in a world where change is a daily concern and adaptability a key competency. Today, thanks to the digital transformation, solutions exist to meet these challenges and to help organizations build the future of their supply chain.